Hi everyone, Sandy here. I'm a Country Craft Creations designer and I'm so excited to share with you that I will be creating the project for the April Craftology kit for Country Craft Creations. Here's the kit. This is what you're going to be getting. It is so exciting. We're going to get a full collection of the Bloom Where You're Planted, a brand new exclusive paper collection by Country Craft Creations. Blue and yellow sheets are in this collection with cut aparts and tags. It is gorgeous. I can't wait to cut into it. I know it's really hard for some of you to cut into these beautiful papers, but trust me, it is worth it to have a gorgeous project when you're done. You're also going to get in your kit, and I'm going to show you the papers in just a minute, so don't worry. Also in your kit, you're going to get the chipboard that you need for the project that we're going to make. It is going to be the lightweight chipboard, which is easy to cut, so you're going to be getting that. I don't have it here to show you because I've already started on the project. Now, you will need to add in your own cardstock, and I highly recommend that you order a pack of artisan cardstock for this project. I don't think you'll need the whole pack, but you will have plenty that way to be able to create the project. I am going to be using the black artisan cardstock because I think it's really going to make it pop. So this is something you need to purchase to add in on your yourself for your collection, for your Craftology project. Of course, you're going to need your adhesives. I'm going to be using the art glitter glue, a little bit of score tape. That is just totally optional. And also some score sheets. If you have that, you can either use score sheets or score tape strips used subtly. So that's something that you should have in your stash. You're going to be using that. And then we've got all these pretty elements here. I'm going to share with you what we're going to be using. And of course, once we're done with that, you can add in from your stash whatever you want and have a great time with that. So first of all, I'm going to show you these pieces here. You're going to get a pack of 49 and Market Wishing Bubbles and Baubles in the butter color. This is gorgeous. I haven't seen this before. These are the little flat back enamel dots. They've got butterflies and a clock in it and a bees. And then it's got words like lovely, smile, new, hope, dream, shine, and best. And then these got these glitter ones. Thank you, shine bright, and these gorgeous butterflies down here and some hearts. So this is going to be lots of fun. The color again is butter, so we get a whole set of that to work with. We're going to get these beautiful, beautiful sunshine yellow flowers. This is also about 49 in Market. It's a royal spray, so we're going to get this to work with. So that's going to be lots of fun to add that into our project. You're going to get a little pack of buttons, and these are real light gray. And I say you get a good little handful. Probably I counted it, just kind of moved them around, counted it. I counted about 20, 21 buttons or so, give or take. A nice little handful of buttons for that. You're going to get, oh, I hope I didn't lose it. There it is. You're going to get 2 flower charms. Now, I say that you're going to get that. I don't know. Sometimes it depends on how many people are signing up for the Craftology kit, if they have to make a substitution with something. But you'll get something of equal value or similar. Perhaps even better. You never know. You're going to get about a yard of the black and white check ribbon. So I'm not going to unfold it all, but you're going to get that. And then this is awesome. You're going to get about a half a yard of this awesome bee ribbon. It's kind of a cotton twill type ribbon. So that's going to be really pretty on our project. And also I love my button string. And you're going to get about a yard each. You're going to get black and a gray. Okay, so that's something that's going to be fun to work with. Now then, with your paper collection, you're going to get the full collection, as I said, of the 12 by 12 Bloom Where You're Planted, which is exclusive to Country Craft Creations. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, so of course this is the cover sheet. You're going to get 1 full sheet of the tags or cut aparts. These you can fussy cut out any way that you want. And then it has the back side. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, God. I love it. It's got some script in there. And it's just a beautiful blue color. You're going to get a pack of these same cut aparts and tags pre-cut for you. So it's all of these in this little pack. That is totally awesome. So you're going to be getting that. You get 2 sheets of your tags, or cut apart like the 4x6 and the 3x4s, and then this border strip down here, and then on the back this beautiful yellow color in the floral print. Then you get into the collection designer papers, and you get 3 sheets of each. So we have this beautiful blue with the black. That's why I'm using black, by the way, the artisan cardstock, and the yellow with the bees and the bee nest, the bee house. Just gorgeous. 3 of those, and the back side is the same print without the images. So that gives you that option. This, I absolutely love this. This is bees on a very pretty blue background, and then the back side gives us, this is the first time I've seen all these, this gorgeous, I guess I call it, it's kind of like a chevron print, I don't know, but it's light blue and yellow. Isn't that pretty? Then we're going to get a blue check. This is fabulous. I love this. I can't wait to cut into this and put it on my project that I've already got the base made, and so we're getting ready. I'm getting ready to finish it all up so I can take pictures. But anyway, there's the blue check, and on the back side, this fun print. Isn't that awesome? Then we have this blue with a black print. 3 of these, and you flip that over, and we have these beautiful, beautiful blue roses. Next, we have a fun, everything's sliding around here. Let me scoot over a little bit. Give me a little more room here in the camera. This nice stripe that could give you lots of borders if you cut into it. Just all the different papers in a stripe. I love that. And then on the back side, we're getting this beautiful floral piece here. Going to be hard to decide which side to use. This one is super fun. So all those colors. Love that. Flip it over, and I love the yellow gingham check. Okay, so here we have, it's like seed packets, and what's fun about this is it says Merrill Farms. Tammy's last name is Merrill, so that's only appropriate, right? So we have old-fashioned party, pansy mixed party. Maybe I am having a party. Old-fashioned pansy mix with the pansy flowers. Isn't that adorable? And then we have the pansies on the blue on the back. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, look at this one. Love this yellow floral print with the picket fence, the pansies, and the seed packets, and the bee. Look at the bee right there. Let me bring him in close so you can see. Take a good look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous. Okay, back side. Flip it over. Oh, I'm sad. This is the last piece of paper. Flip it over, and we have that beautiful yellow on the back. So that is the exclusive Country Craft Creations paper collection for the April Craftology kit. All the goodies you get, plus the lightweight chipboard. So I'm going to turn off this camera and get busy and work on this project, because I can't wait to get it finished and take the pictures and then be ready for you when you start getting your kit in April. All right. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.